roller skaters. This video is by request, so thank you guys for the request. This is a request for basic backward shuffle skating number 3. I suggest that you check out the videos Kev did about basic backward shuffle skating number 1 and number 2 first, and of course just be really comfortable with your backward skating. So this is my little contribution. I'll show a little flow. I'll try to count it as if we had a rhythm or some music, and then I'll break it down. All right, so showing it first, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And keep repeating for as much concrete as you have, or space as you have. All right, so I'm gonna try to break it down. It's not super complicated. You don't need a lot of space. I'm moving pretty slow. I am rolling backwards, but not quickly. All right, so I'm starting in what Kev calls standard position. Feet about hips width apart, knees kind of soft and bouncy, like in skating to keep us balanced. And I'm gonna swing my right foot in front of the left on the toe wheels, setting it down as I transfer weight, like right, left, right. You don't have to pick up the foot. You can just kind of rock it, or you could go right, left, right. But either way, then I'm gonna swing the left foot around in front on the toe wheels in front of the right, kind of pulling the right foot back as I set the left foot down. Again, left, right, left. Swing the right foot in front, right, left, right. As you do a little roll backwards, swing the left foot in front, left, right, left. Shift weight onto the left, pick up the right, touch in front, down, touching back, down. Now we're gonna just turn it the other way. Last time we started on the right, now we start with the left in front. So swing the left toe wheels in front, left, right, left. Swing the right toe wheels in front, left foot back, right, left, right. Swing the left toe wheels in front, right foot back, left, right, left. Swing the right toe wheels in front, left foot back, right, left, right.
Yeah.
And shifting the weight onto the right, pick up the left. Touch in front, touch down, touching back, down. So it's basically like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like the count.
Bouncing.
Yeah, so let's try that again. It's actually really hard to do this super slow, because once you have a little rhythm, it kind of carries you. But I'll try to do it slow. Once more, moving toward the water.
All right.
All right, so swing the right foot in front, left foot back, right, left, right. Left foot in front, right foot back, left, right, left. Right foot in front, left foot back, right, left, right. Left foot in front, right foot back, left, right, left. Shifting weight onto the left, pick up right in front, down, right and back, down. Swing the left foot in front, right foot back, left, right, left. Swing the right foot in front, left foot back, right, left, right. On the toe wheel, swing the left foot front, right foot back, left, right, left. Swing the right foot forward, left foot back, right, left, right. Shift weight onto the right, pick up foot, down, pick up
Kicky,
foot.
touchy.
Kicky, touchy, kicky, touchy. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm gonna try it again with more flow, more of a kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of a count,
Okay.
as if you had kind of a even, kind of a rhythm skating soul roll, sort of a beat, like not fast, but rhythmic and even, kind of a 4 count. All right, let's try it with a little more
Yeah.
flow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
So hopefully that's something fun for y'all to try. You can combine other things with it, of course. Other moves or steps or spins or jumps or whatever you want. Make it your own, but I hope y'all like that. Thanks again for the great requests, and please let us know what you want to see. If we can, we'll certainly try. And please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.